River, did I miss a long freeway? Well, from the coast of California to the shores of the Delaware Bay. Now, well, you can bet your life I did till I got back to the U.S.A. And again, oh, yeah. Driving, searching for a parking bay. Yeah, where the hamburger fizzle and an open grill night and day. Yeah, and the jukebox is jumping, records like in the U.S.A.